So thinking about skin and our four system approach, or my four system approach. So we've got the connective tissue system, which is like a brain and thinks for itself. And then we've got our heart. So we can think of heart in different ways. So firstly, in terms of the circulation, so it's kind of pumping that blood around the body to send all those lovely nutrients through the blood, so that actually then we can heal and repair any damage to the skin and to help send nutrients to the skin and the connective tissue system. So heart also really thinking about emotions. So our emotional center is the heart and how you're feeling. So think about how you're feeling and how that could have an impact on the skin. Emotionally, so if we're angry or vexed and or low or sad, then those emotions have an impact on how we move, and they also have that impact on the skin. So think about some of the cartoon characters or images, emojis you see when we're talking about extra stress or angry, and the characters have the steam coming out of their ears and those big kind of like rosy cheeks. We have the heart, literally the adrenaline, and then you've got noradrenaline and you've got cortisol, so they all kick in. So we have extra, let me pause that, sorry, my timer's just going to tell me I've got something that I've got to do in a minute. So yes, timer, emergency, anxiety, stress through the system. So there's going to be that blush, that flush, as those hormones kind of race through the body to try and get you into action. Quick, let's go. So heart and emotion, so depending on how you're feeling emotionally, that can have an impact. If we've been, what's the word I'm looking for? If you've kind of shut down those emotions or you're feeling a little bit withdrawn, then that too has an impact on the skin. So how easy or how likely is it that you're going to want to move and be active? So then that has an impact on circulation as well as the heart. And if we're feeling low, often we're kind of inwards, closed inwards, like protection. So when we need some soft touch, a little bit of nurturing. So maybe that's to help facilitate the emotions. That's where we can use things like warmth or heat, or just touch on the body to help change and transform those emotions, to help the body just ease and open up.